In this session, we'll be working with addition of an element in a list. So we have about 5 flower names within the list, which is tulip, lily, sunflower, jasmine and lotus. And I require one more flower name to be inserted within the list. So for that, I have to do the append method. So I'll be using a command called append, right? So append method, which will be adding one element within the list. So first what I will be doing is that, so in this case I will be selecting the flower is the variable flower dot append. It's a method, right? Append, then open the parenthesis. So within the parenthesis you add which element you require to be entered into the list. So in this case I type lavender, one more flower name, right? Then I'll see what is happening to the list, whether it is adding the element or not. Print flower. Then I put shift plus enter. So in this case you find that there is an addition of a new flower name within the list. An element has been added within the list which we call as lavender. So previously you have the 5 elements. In this case you have 6 elements, and addition of element has been done with the method called append. So append is a method which adds the element to the end of the list. So it is adding the element to the end of the list without affecting any of the elements in the list.